CAD drawings saved in DWG format are widely used to circulate technical drawings among professionals. To view and modify these CAD drawings, network licenses are popular because they enable companies to share a pool of licenses among multiple users and cut costs. Aries Commander is both offering such network licenses and introducing a modern evolution of the concept with the new FlexCloud license. Unlike with network licenses, where the users have to be in the same local network, the advantage of FlexCloud licenses is that licenses are shared via the internet, so users can work from anywhere, at the office, but also at home, in the customer's office, or even in a different country. Each FlexCloud license is also a Trinity license, which includes Aries Commander, Aries Kudo, and Aries Touch. It enables users to work on any device and to leverage the Trinity collaboration features. Some of these features include the synchronization of drawings across all users to ensure everybody is always working on the latest version, the ability to share view-only links with external contacts who can view and comment for free, markups to comment on the projects with text, voice, and pictures, and email notifications for every comment or modification. Get your FlexCloud license today for better collaboration and significant cost savings. To learn more, visit our website and start your free 30-day trial now.